Okay, so here is review unit 1. So we're going to go through these questions all the way through. It may be in 2 videos, depends on how long it takes. Look over your questions, make sure you kind of, solve the same way or have the same answer and understand why I had it the way I had it. So look at number 1. The graph below shows a dashed line on a coordinate plane. A right triangle is drawn so that its longest side is on the dashed line. Which right triangle has a hypotenuse with a slope that would lie on the dashed line shown in the graph? Okay, so I wrote my points for the triangle that's already on the graph. Remember, we're looking for the one that's the hypotenuse on the line. So -2, -1, -7, and -12. Okay, so once I do that, I'm going to put it in my slope formula, which is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Okay, so my first point would be -12 minus a -1 over -7 minus a -2. So I'm going to leave, change, and I should get -11, leave, change, and I should get -5. So negative and negative make a positive, because if you look, we have a positive slope. So we need to make sure that the slope we're coming up with is positive, okay? So let's check out these points down here. You would do the same thing with the points. I'm going to label them x1, y1, x2, y2, and say 2 minus 4 over 0 minus 1. So that's -2 over -1, which doesn't match. Okay, so look at number 2, or letter B. x1, y1, x2, y2, y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So this is -5 over -7, which reduces to 5, 7. So we're still not there. So it can't be A, can't be B. So x1, y1, x2, y2, 3 minus 14 over 1 minus 6. 3 minus 14 is -11. 1 minus 6 is -5, which simplifies to 11 over 5. So there's our answer. I'm going to circle C. I'm going to go ahead and do D, just to show you it is not D. So 2 minus 4 over 3 minus 6, -2 over -3, which is 2/3. Okay, so our answer is choice C. Okay, moving on, number 2. Find the slope of the line that passes through point F 2, 4, and G, -3, -6. You're just going to label those points again, x1, y1, x2, y2. So y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1, -10, -5. So I'm going to reduce that. It's going to be 2. It's going to be +2 because negative and negative make a positive. So my answer choice is D. Okay, number 3. A ladder rises 30 feet for every horizontal change of 5 feet. So it's saying it rises 30 for every change of 5. What is the slope of the ladder? Well, it's change in y. This is our y over change in x. Answer choice B. Number 4. Which equation is an equation of the line with a slope of -3 and a y-intercept of 10? Okay, so I did it that way. If you notice that, remember, here is our slope-intercept form. So this is our slope, and this is our y-intercept. Okay, So I filled in my slope, filled in my y-intercept, and I'm gonna get answer choice B. Okay, number 5.